With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so here's the question. In plants, how many of the following symptoms are due to viral infection? Alright, so they have given A option, mosaic formation, then we have yellowing and vein clearing, leaf rolling and curling, dwarfing, and then the stunted growth. Now, whenever a plant is being affected by a virus or viral infection, for example, tobacco mosaic virus, which is an RNA virus, it can result into the following symptom. The first symptom can be a mosaic leaf pattern, that is change in the shape of the leaf, mosaic leaf pattern. The second can be wrinkled leaves, alright, wrinkled or wilted leaves better, wilted leaf. Then it can result into the yellowing of leaves, necrosis and yellowing of the leaves, yellow as well as the necrosis of the leaf. Then it can also result into the plant stunted, that is the dwarf plant, retardation in the growth of the plant, that is plant stunting. So among the options, all the options can result, it can be visible under the virus infection, that is mosaic formation, yes, yellowing and vein clearing, yes, leaf rolling and curling, that is the wilting of the leaves, yes, dwarfing and stunted growth, yes. Then we have 1, 2, 3 and 4, that is all the 4 options are correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.